Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can add this type of mega menus in your Shopify store. I'm just using the Dawn theme, which is the primary theme for our Shopify currently, and we will add this mega menu to our this simplest theme. You can also create more advanced mega menus using the technique that I will teach you in this video, and you don't have to purchase anything. In this video I will use free resource to create this type of mega menu. So without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I am on my Shopify admin, and on the left side you will see an apps option. Just click on this, and next here you will see a search bar. Just click here smart menu, and you can also type here hyphen mega menu. Press enter button, and here you will see the available apps. You have to click on this Kikify smart menu. They have free plan available, so click here, and here you will see a button to install the app. Click on this button, and before installing this app you must have to be aware that your these privacy details can be accessed by this application. So if you don't want to share this information with the company that have created this application, then please don't install this app. To install this app, you have to click on install app button. Click here. Once you will install the app, you will see this screen here. You can click on new menu, or you can also click on this add a new menu button. So I will click here, and here you can see that it is displaying me the menus templates because we want to add mega menu. That's why I will click here mega menu. These are the templates, and these are fully customizable, so feel free to choose any of them. So I'm going to select the simple one. So suppose I want to add this mega menu to my website. You have to click on this, and this menu will be chosen, and here I will click on this edit button. From here you can change the title of your menu item, like contact us, and here you will see a link option. You can click here and select any page, any collection that you want to link. I will select page, and currently in my store I have two pages available, so I will select the contact page. And so we have changed the title of our menu item, and also we have added the page link to our menu item. Similarly, suppose if you want to display a specific product here, you can also just click on this edit icon, and from here you can search for collection. So if you want to display here a specific product, you can search this product option. If you want to display simple image, custom HTML or anything, you can select from these options. So suppose if I want to display a product, I will select the product option from here, and again click on this edit button, and from here you can select the available products from your store. Currently I have added these dummy products, so I will select this one, and similarly I will click on edit, click on product. Here I will select the second product, and the same action I will do for the third product. So we have add product, and we also have learned that how we can edit our menu links. Next you have to click on this save button. You can see the button link in the bottom section. So mega menu is saved. Now what I will do, I will click on view my online store here. So you can see that friends, the menu has been changed successfully. So this is the menu that we have added to our website. You can also choose advanced templates, and you can also add more items to your menu according to your requirement. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you, that if you want to create mega menus in your website, these menus increase the interactivity of your website, and your website will be look gorgeous. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.